To Bestuseful Tips, I will show you how to change the floating notification on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the Settings app. Now scroll. Tap on Notifications. Tap on Advanced Settings. Here you can see floating notifications. Tap on it. By default, set bubble as a floating notification. Or you can also choose a Smart Pop-up View option. In Smart Pop-up View, tap on Included Apps. Here you can individually enable or disable the app toggle in which apps you can send you notification and view as a pop-up view on your device. Just tap the toggle on the option you want to show pop-up view, Smart Pop-up View option on your device. Also by default set bubbles so you can see bubble in specific app when you receive any notification. If you don't want to use floating notification, just choose off option so you can't see any bubbles or a pop-up view or notification on your app when you receive notification on your device. Use bubbles as a floating notifications on your device. When you use bubbles, you can also access another app at a time. Use two apps at the same time on your device. That's it. Like it, share it.